Freeman's Ranch. Hey, I'm Matt. I'm doing good. How are you?
Freeman's General Store has been around almost as long as Crete itself.
46 years.
Owner Star Pearson and staff
We need to mop over here.
are wrapping up what has been anything but a typical business day.
It's kind of hard to be normal when there's a major event going on in your backyard.
When Pearson looks up, she sees more than sticker shock.
I was scared at first when the flames started coming over the hill. I mean, it's a very frightening thing. It's something we've not experienced here. We've been waiting for it, knowing it's going to happen. But just to see it happen is a whole nother matter, coming right towards your home.
With the Papoose fire inching closer to Highway 149 and her parking lot,
I wish Greg were here.
she is worried about much more than groceries.
Your husband's also a fallen?
He's a wildland firefighter. Yeah, so he gets out of bed and goes right to the fire.
3 separate fires, the Papoose, Windy Pass, and West Fork, continues to scorch more than 75,000 acres in the upper Rio Grande Valley. No homes have been lost, but we did spot firefighters protecting this home as the fire flares up. You can see burned beetle kill trees reduced to matchsticks.
They would probably not get here.
The news much better for nearby South Fork.
The firefighters and resources in South Fork have a very good handle, I'd say, on the fire there that's just outside of South Fork.
We had to evacuate our horses.
At Freeman's, Star Pearson's day job is almost done. She can now turn her attention to her husband and the Papoose firefighter camp next door, knowing hard work will pay off.
Okay, we'll be fine. Thanks. Bye.